Howdy, y'all. It's the Cowboy drummer.
Say hello to the Cowboy drummer, man.
Okay, guys, we're back. I got 5 different hi-hats here, all made from paiste, my favorite cymbal company on the planet. I'm a proud paiste artist, so I'm super grateful to own all these.
Well, I'm just lucky, I guess.
But I want to compare them and hear the sound differences. I'm here. We're doing it. Let's go. Let's go. We got some 14-inch Dark Energies, some 14-inch Masters Dark, 15-inch Formula 602 Modern Essentials. We got some 14-inch Color Sounds in purple, and then last but not least, some 14-inch PST7s. We're going to do some different tests. We're going to do some different grooves. But first, I need you guys to subscribe right now, please. Because what the hell, man? Just do it. You know what I'm saying? Support your boy. And then I'm going to reveal to you guys which one I like the best. But I also want you to leave a comment and let me know which ones you guys like the best. Let's go. First, we're just going to do some little taps.
Little tappersons, little tappy tap.
Just tap it in now.
Give it a little tappy.
Okay, that was boring as hell. Now let's just like crash them, you know? Just an open wash and maybe a little chick. I'm gonna warn you guys right now, I did not use a click track when I recorded any of these hi-hats, probably because I suck. So, I don't know, I didn't think it was that big of a deal since we're just worried about the sound. Regardless, let's get into it. Now let's play these bad boys in a groove and just see how bad I suck. Now we're gonna do some double stroke rolls on a closed hi-hat, and then we'll bust into some shuffles and do some more hi-hat chicks with some ghost notes and I'm just gonna still try my best not to suck. Like I already mentioned before, not that you can't tell or anything, I clearly did not use a click track. I just hit record and I just wung it. So that's why it sucks. But hey, let's do some ghost notes and some hi-hat chicks. Okay guys, I want to say that covered every single way you would probably play a hi-hat. I mean, we did the open hit, we did some double strokes, we did some little tappy taps. I don't know, I think we got enough sound out of them. But listen, which one you guys like the best? I want to know, I'm dying to know, so please leave a comment. And I'm going to tell you right now, my favorite one is got to be the Masters Dark, man. I don't know, those just do it for me. I love the Modern Essentials too, that's a close second. Honestly, they're all good. I like them all, but my favorite are those 14-inch Masters Dark hi-hats, the best. Let's go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, follow me on all social media at The Cowboy Drummer. I love y'all. Have a good one, and peace.